this is Nadia Daggett with Graystone Investment Group, where you invest and we do the rest. And I'm excited to show you one of my listings today at Spinnaker Cove, where it is a boater's paradise. So I'm very passionate about this property. Let me show you around.
This 3-story, luxuriously centrally located condo has a beautiful and spacious floor plan. On the main floor includes a large living room that wraps around to the kitchen and spacious dining room area. Directly from the kitchen, you open up to your private and convenient lanai that is perfect for hosting. This floor also includes your guest bathroom. Heading up the stairs, you arrive to your comfortable 2 bedrooms, laundry, and large master suite. Your master bathroom is equipped with a his or her sink, glass walk-in shower, and large Roman bathtub to relax after a long day on the water. Your new master bedroom is designed perfectly, with beautiful bay windows overlooking the Tampa Bay.
And one of my favorite features about this property is their master bedroom that faces directly to the west so you can watch all the sunsets.
With this condo, you also own your own boat slip to adventure through Tampa Bay's islands and access to great fishing. One more extra feature to your new home includes your guest suite on the bottom floor. For those that have extended family that visit, or if you're just looking for a man cave, this room includes a full wet bar and space for a mini refrigerator or wine dispenser. This room also includes its own bathroom and direct access to the garage. Through the sliding glass doors, you enjoy a large patio for grilling and entertaining. For your convenience, this property is located just 5 minutes from the airport in downtown Tampa, and centrally located to jump on the interstate to Orlando, Clearwater, St. Pete beaches, and more. You are also 5 minutes from the famous Courtney Campbell Causeway with great restaurants and lovely beach sunsets.
Well, thank you for going on this tour with me today. And if you are interested in this property, my information is below. And again, this is Nadia Daggett with Graystone Investment, where you invest and we do the rest. And hope to hear from you.